In this video, I will be sharing with you 4 high-end DIY that you can try at home. Hi everyone, I am Renee and welcome to my channel. These 4 simple DIY you can try at home with stuff that you have, and I won't hold you any longer here. So let's get right into the first DIY. Now for the first DIY, I will be creating this decorative bowl. So I get a plastic cup and a bowl. You notice I got this bowl. If you remember the shop with me video that I did for a $50 budget, I got this bowl there. So this bowl, I will be creating a centerpiece with it. So what I do, I add some glue to the cup. You can use hot glue, E6000 glue, any strong adhesive of your choice. So I will add some generous amount and then I will glue the bowl to the cup. After which I will go in to try and seal where the cup and the bowl join to prevent it from showing that it's a DIY. So what I'll be using to seal this is what I have on hand. So I had this silicone, the same silicone that I used to do another DIY with the vase. Yes, that silicone. So I will be using it to seal this area, and once I put it around the rim of the bowl and the cup, I will leave it to dry. Actually, you can leave it for at least 24 hours to dry, but I just gave it for about an hour so that it dry. Go in, use piece of paper towel to clean up the edges, and then I'm going to spray paint it. So the spray paint that I will be using here is this gold metallic spray paint. This one I had on hand. So remember, when you're creating your DIY, try to look around the home and see what you have and utilize the stuff that you have. So I turned the bowl down so that inside don't get any of the gold, as I will leave inside the original color. I want outside to be gold, and then the effect of the bowl inside will give it a nice look. And this is what it turned out to look like with 3 coats of paint. So for the second DIY, I liked how this one turned out. You remember this vase from a previous DIY that I spray painted it black. I spray painted it cream in that DIY and then I went over with it black. So now I will be giving it a light sand, so because I'm going to spray paint it and I want the spray paint to adhere to it smoothly. So what I do, I give it a light sand and then I use a paper towel to clean off it. You can use any fabric of your choice, or if you have a clear vase already, you can just utilize what you have. So I clean off the surface and then I will be giving it 3 coats of spray with a white spray that I have. Now this white spray is Harris brand. I utilize it in so many of my projects, and what I do here, I'm going to give it 3 coats of spray paint. So after I gave it the 3 coat, this is the next step. I let the paint dry on the vase and then I get a bowl with water, or you can use any container. I didn't have a container, so I had this and I put a garbage bag in it, a clear garbage bag, and here you see me spraying some gold and silver in it. What I do here, I'm doing this so that I get a marble effect on the vase. So I use a stick to stir it. It depends on how much marble look you want. The more stir you give is the more marble effect. So you go in and dip the vase in it, and you can spin it around to your choice how you want it. If you only want it on the lower part of the vase, you can put it to the lower part. If you want mostly gold, you just know that you spray mostly gold. If you want mostly silver, you spray mostly silver. While I was doing this, I realized that I was getting a lot of silver color, as you can see, and then a section of it wasn't getting any spray. You can always go in and add more spray paint and dip. So here I am adding more silver and gold just to get it to the white side, and then I stir as well so that it adds evenly on the vase. And this is what it looks like. Now for the third DIY, I will be using this NSC bottle to create a nice decor piece as well. So what I'm doing here, I'm going in with a painter's tape to separate it in half so I get a clear part on the top, and the lower half I will be doing something with it. I don't know as yet, but I know I will be spraying it. So I go in and I spray it with this painter's tape, and what I actually decide to do is go in with some white paint and to get that marble technique again, because I'm really falling in love with this marble technique. So I gave this 3 coats of spray paint white, and then I put it to dry. You can put it to dry for 24 hours. Honestly, I did not. I only put it for maybe about an hour to dry properly, and then I go in again with the spray paint technique here. I spray some gold, and I think it was only gold I did in this one. Yes, I spray some gold spray paint in it, and what I will be doing, I will be dipping the lower half of the bottle that I sprayed white to get that marble effect. So you can spin the bottle so that it spin around and so that it goes evenly on the bottle. And this is what it turned out to be. Let me know if you love it. I am so in love with it. And for the final DIY, I started, but it wasn't caught on camera. I went in with this gold spray paint, and I will be doing the same marble technique with this bottle as well. So I use white only in this one, and I will be just dipping the bottle in it just to get the marble effect. And also, I forget to mention on the 2 previous DIY with this one as well, once the marble was dry, I went in with clear spray paint as well to seal it. So remember, you can use clear spray paint to seal all of them so that you get a sheen. Please let me know if you like this one as well. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Please comment, like, share and subscribe, and also please let me know what kind of DIY you would like to see me tackle. Please let me know which one was your favorite DIY and if you would try something like this as well. Thank you again, and see you on the next video.